student, I am going to describe one question of long answer question, section of 12 bio, section. This is the question from section D. Okay, section D. This is a board question. The question is, I have already written that state the objective of adopting artificial hybridization program in plants. Question 1. Okay, two questions carry 5 marks. So this question carry 2.5 marks. And its second part is describe the steps followed in the in this technique. Okay, so describe that followed followed in this technique. Okay, so what are the steps followed in this technique? This is the question 1 and 2, each carry 2.5 marks. So this question carry 2.5 marks, this question carry 2.5 marks. Now how will answer this? Answer to the first question, the hybridization, artificial hybridization, this technique ensures the combination of desirable characters from two different varieties so as to improve superior variety. Let's suppose that there are two mango plants. Okay, one giving larger size of fruit but fewer in number. Another variety is there which produces a smaller fruits but larger in number. So we have two different characteristics. One is here the number, another is here size. We want to see them in one tree. We want to get from this which contain larger size as well as more in number. So number and size, both the characters which are present in two different bodies, we want to see in one. Okay, so how can we get in one? This is the question. So this ensures the combination. So we are combining. The purpose is to combining two desirable sets of characters present in two different bodies in one. This is called hybridization, adoptive hybridization, artificial hybridization. Now, what are the steps followed by it? So here are 3 steps. One step. The second questions, it's one step is emasculation. What do you mean by emasculation? Separate question may be asked like define emasculation, bagging or artificial hybridization. So these are the 3 techniques by which we done this artificial hybridization. Emasculation. What do you mean by emasculation? Emasculation is nothing. It is a technique in which you know that in a flower, suppose that this is a flower having a stigma, a style and ovary, as well as the male anther and sepals, petals and sepals are there. Okay, petals, sepals are there. So in this technique, emasculation, the anther is cut and removed. This anther is cut and removed. Okay, in order to avoid self-pollination. So this technique is called emasculation. Now, it may be possible that the same varieties, the pollen grains of same variety is brought by the insect. So what we do, we then cover this emasculated female flower with the butter paper. So cover this, tie and cover this female part in order to avoid unwanted pollination. That is called bagging. Emasculated flowers, pistils or carpet, pistil or carpet, anything you can write, each covered with butter paper to avoid unwanted pollination. This technique is called bagging. So after bagging, what happens? After bagging, there is a artificial hybridization. So at the maturity, what we do, when the stigma matures, the pollen grains of desirable. Suppose that this on this plant stigma, the pollen grain of this plant is desirable. So desirable plants are collected. The pollen grains of desirable plants are collected and dusted on the stigma, and flower is rebagged again. So after dusting, we remove this bagging is removed and then dusting. After dusting, again it is rebagged. Okay, and for contamination by other pollen grains. So this and then allow it to form the desirable seeds, fruits and seeds, which give you the improved quality like this one. Okay. So in this way, you can easily get the marks. How can your marks will be given here if you write, okay, any step here, adopting artificial hybridization. So desirable step program state the objective. So this ensures combination of desirable characters from different varieties. So 1 plus 1, 2 marks you get here, 2.5. Okay, and 2.5 by this 3, or maybe sometimes it depend upon the marking scheme is already contain this one. 2 marks this one and 3 marks this one. So 1, 1 and 1, 3 marks. So in this way, 5 marks you will score in your board examination. Your marking will be distributed like that. So you have to write these points whenever you go for the answer. Okay, I think it will help you to revise for the board examination. Thank you.